Are you having problem to fall asleep? How do you make it yourself to fall asleep easier? Hey, Assalamualaikum. My name is NURSYAMIMI AMEERA binti SABRI. So today I'm going to present about the innovative and interesting product from myself, which is Music Pillow. So there are a few processes and stages for me to generate the Music Pillow idea. So the first one is experience. So me myself experience the insomnia, where it's the problem of someone having a difficulty to fall asleep at night. So from my experience, it makes me think, how can I solve this problem? And then the second one is the interview session, where I interview the people that closest to me. For example, like my family, my friends, and I will ask them, are they having the insomnia, or are they having a difficulty to fall asleep at night? And then lastly, I have the observation. I also observe how the impact of lack of sleep to someone, and how it become a big issue, and I need to come up with an idea to solve this problem. So here, what is Music Pillow actually? So Music Pillow helps someone who is having insomnia or difficulty to fall asleep easily. How Music Pillow do that? So this device help insomnia people by delivering a soothing and calming music that's specifically used to treat insomnia problem. So basically, I choose the playlist for this Music Pillow that is used to treat insomnia people. For example, like the sea breeze music, the sound of the river flowing. Don't you think it's really calming for you to hear when you wanted to go to sleep? Yeah, you should give a try to my Music Pillow. And then this is my business model canvas. So this PMC is really helpful for me to start this business, because I can find out the structure of the business itself. For example, like the key partners, the key activities, the key resources, and also the value proposition. And then this is the prototype of the Music Pillow. As you can see, the middle one is the play button, the right one is the increase button for the volume, and the left one is the decrease button for the volume. And then who are the Music Pillow user? So this Music Pillow is suitable for wide age range, for example like students, working people, and elderly who are having insomnia and need to overcome it. And then how are users solving this problem currently? So students with financial limitation, they will just keep studying or reading until they fall asleep. And then working people will try any supplements that can help their body to work properly and getting quality sleep. And lastly, elderly will take pills that they bought from pharmacy as they wanted to fall asleep easily every night. And then how will Music Pillow solve the problem differently? This Music Pillow is useful because the music playlist chosen is music that's specifically used to treat insomnia patient. And besides that, with high quality pillow use also can give a comfortable and deep sleep experience to the user. And then here is the logo for my Music Pillow business. And then we have the brochure, we have the social media posts, and thank you card. So basically, I really love this program, Intrapreneurial Journey, because it really gives me an experience on how to start a business that I never learned before, and it really helps me to develop these skills, business skills, and it also helps me to think differently and creatively in solving problems. I think that's all from me. Thank you so much.